everything changes.
Alright, hello everyone, how's it going? I am Dylan, your host of Make Money Fast. For today, I am doing pretty well, have a nice cup of joe on my hands, and I hope you guys are doing well too. So I don't know if this is the morning for you guys, the evening or whatever, but guys, I hope you are ready to start making some real money, okay? I'm going to show you just how fast I made $1,000 driving for Lyft. Okay, so here I'm going to get straight into the video. I'm going to pop up my screen, and I'm going to just show you how I make money driving for Lyft. Lyft is a really easy way to make money. You literally just drive people around. People usually aren't going that far. And the reason I drive for Lyft as opposed to Uber is because Lyft has bonuses. So if you complete a certain number of rides, then you get an extra bonus every single week. So, and also there's a gnarly sign-on bonus. If you sign up using my link below, you're gonna receive an extra couple $100 just for driving. I think right now it's like $300. It depends on your area, but it's gonna vary. But sign up using that link below, and you'll get an extra couple $100 just signing up and completing like 30 rides or something like that. So, anyways, here I'm pop up my screen here. Yeah, you don't need to look at my messages. Okay, here we go. I have Lyft right there. I'm going to open it up. So yeah, here it is. Earn $350. So if you're in Orange County, it'll be $350. That just depends on where you live. It'll vary. So today I've made $0. This week I've made $0. I haven't driven at all today, guys, or this week. So I've given 257 rides, and I've maintained a 5.0 rating. And guys, it's really easy to maintain a high rate. Okay, here are the bonuses, guys. So $60 for completing 45 rides, $130 for 75, and this is per week. Guys, if you can do 140 rides, that's 20 rides a day. It's not even that bad. You can do an extra $350, $315. So here I'm gonna go right into my earnings, and let's do my payout activity. So the last payout I made $93, $151, $167, $138. This is like every couple of days. You can get paid whenever you want. So here, let's just do some quick math here. Let's go to Google and just get some math going. Actually, guys, let's use Bing. Why? Because you get paid to search for Bing, right? All right, so we're getting 93 plus 151 plus 167 plus 138 plus 200 plus 186. Let's see how much that is. That's 935. What's the one I made before that? 95. So I'll just do 95. So that's 1,030. So it took me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, guys. Took me 7 days to get $1,000 driving for Lyft. So yeah, you can get tips as well. And guys, there's tons more. Look at that, $300 payment right there. That's a good one. That was probably a bonus. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. That's how long it took me. So let's just go back to earnings, the payout activity. So it took me from February 17th to March 13th. And guys, I obviously took a break between the 27th and the 13th. So basically it took me about a month to get $1,000, and I took a week off in between. So, and I drive like a couple hours a day. This isn't, a couple hours a week. I mean, this isn't hard stuff. So go ahead and use the link down below to make a couple $100, and hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to do this quick video, and I'll get more into driving for Lyft in the future. But guys, go ahead and check out all the links in the description. There's a bunch of different ways to make money fast today. Just go ahead. There's a bunch of referrals. You can get a free stock by joining Robinhood. You can get a free Google stock that could be worth up to $1,000. Yeah, there's a bunch of links down below. Just go ahead and check those out. See you guys next time. My name's Dylan. make money fast.